How to easily create a web app for searching data on a web table published on another website. So, for this demo video, we will create search widget for a huge table published by Google giving all the types of functions available in a Google Sheet. See the description below for the URL of the page. Open a new Google Sheet and log into the GS2 Web SaaS add-on. For viewers who do not know how to log in, please see the description for video help. Once logged in, we will create a new calculator by going to the GS2 Web SaaS add-on and clicking New. Give it a name, Sags Functions Finder. Since we just need 2 input fields for our app, so we insert 2 in the dialog box. The Google Sheet has a very powerful formula import HTML that is used for fetching the table published by Google. Now, in cell K1, we insert the Google formula for fetching this table on the Google help site. You can see it is very big table and having 4 columns. Our goal is to create 2 input fields where the users can just select the type and name and related data will appear as result. Now, we will use the query formula for searching data inside the imported table. So, in the result area, we put the query formula and a certain part will be from user inputs on the web widget we build. These will come in cell G2 and G3. For preparing the input fields that are select type, we need to create a range of values that you can do with a Google Sheet formula called unique. Just give an equal sign in a cell, write the word unique, start parenthesis and fill the range in a cell. I chose the range from the imported table and closed the parenthesis. You can see that all unique values are filtered in the cell. Now we set the G2 and G3 cell reference to the query formula in the result area. This is needed as the user's input will come in these cells. When everything is complete, we go to publish the calculator. Let us see how the search web app looks. Go to GS2 Web SaaS add-on then calculator and click Get Links. Copy the link and paste in browser. Your app that is automatically hosted will appear. We are coming with many amazing videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so that you are notified about new tutorials.